I am a firm believer that one of the most important things for a business or for a business owner is the idea of trust. Trust makes everything easier. And here's why. The more someone feels like they know you, the more they know about your brand, the easier the sale. One of the things I tell business owners and founders again and again and again and again is businesses with a face have soul. When people feel like they know you, when they feel like there's a person behind it, and the more connected they feel to that person, a sale is infinitely easier. It's one of the reasons I think we have had a lot of success with our 6th Avenue brands is we're constantly featuring our people. And when people choose to follow us and see our people and our faces and our personality and our mission again and again and again, I don't have to sell them anything. When it comes to buy whatever it is they want to buy, they're going to go to the person that they trust. So put your people in your communication, put your people on social media, put your people on your email, because it builds trust and people buy from people they trust.